Welcome to Study Loop.
So let's solve this question. So we have a equals to pi by d, pi by 4 d square. Solving this, we get it as 0.1590. As equals to 2 pi rl. 2 pi rl, putting the values, we get it as 0.01413 meter square. Now P is equals to PA, putting the value P. This is internal pressure. So P equals to 450 into 0.1590, that equals to 71.55. Calculate F average. F average equals to tau average into AS. So on solving this, we get it as AS is what? This is tau average into 0.01413. Now we know summation of Fy equals to 0. So P minus F average equals to 0. Solving this, we get tau average equals to 5.063 MPa. Now sigma 1 PR by T. Solving this, we get sigma 1 5.0625. Now sigma 2 PR by 2T. Solving this, we get it as 2.531.